How you going, guys? This is Big T. Had this GU Patrol in the workshop all day. Done a bit of work. Customers just about to travel around Australia. So I've installed the Rockarmor Bullbar, tough 63mm tubing, 3-piece bash plate underneath. Finished it off with a nice set of 9-inch spotties and a 12,000-pound winch. Come around the side, check out the Rocksliders. So Rockarmor Rocksliders, bolted straight to the chassis, dual rail underneath, so no matter where he goes, whatever he kicks up, it's going to protect the seal of the body. Come around the back, check out the wool carrier. Finished it off with a Rockarmor wool carrier. We've got the spare wheel on the driver's side, installed the Dual Jerry Can holder on the passenger side. Now, one of the best feature that I believe on a Rockarmor wool carrier compared to any other wool carrier in the market is the ease of access. Check out how easy it is to get in and out of the vehicle. Just a trigger system, locks into place. Pull the pin there, closes like a car door. How good is that? Now, I just come around the side here. I just want to show you something with the Rockarmor wool carrier. Just check out the side of the car here. Now, this is how strong they are. Absolutely no flex. So wherever you're going, the bar's going, and it's just not going to rattle loose.